Good morning, Saver. It's about 4:58. My gosh, the sun is rocking it this morning. And it's 62 degrees. And it was a hot one yesterday. Got up to 95 at least. But I think the quote for today kind of exemplifies that. It was just warm, and we were outside and reading on the back deck, ate on the back deck, because the house is too hot to open up yet until the sun goes down a little bit more. And just sat out in the backyard with Walter and Wanda, listening to the fountain and the birds, and just really enjoying nature. So the quote for the day, Alex Trebek. I didn't know he was a major quoted person. From what's the game show? Jeopardy. If you can't be in awe of nature, there's something wrong with you. I love that. Kind of a judgment quote, actually. But there's so much beautiful going on around us that we just need to take note of that and enjoy what we have, because we may not have it tomorrow. But I know we just started skiing the last couple of years again, and just getting up the top of the lift, you just have to stop and look around, because it is just beautiful up there. Or just hiking on the trail. Or just sitting looking out over something, a vista of sorts. Or just in the morning, I look forward to seeing my little bunny buddies. They're always popping around here. I did see a coyote out the other day, but just in the neighborhood looking around. Like this morning, the smell. We go out to the Bend area every summer for a week. There's a certain smell out there, and so we're sitting out in the back in the mule barn area, and I caught that same smell, and it actually transported me to sitting out on the deck after a really nice dinner, enjoying a glass of wine. I don't know if that's going to translate to you guys, but that is just beautiful. And just the power of a smell even is amazing. Get transported to places back in my childhood and that have a similar smell, and it really does affect your mind, your body, everything. So if we can slow down and just enjoy what's naturally around us, life is good. Put in the comments if you have a specific place or have a memory that kind of transports you from nature, or kind of makes you stop and take a breath and think a little bit. Love to hear it in the comments. I don't know if you can see them. There they are. There's the two, and they're usually in this yard or the one next to it. Let's see, there's the third one. I don't know if you saw him or not. This is a place that I stop and do stretching every morning, and there's just a ant hill that's running around like crazy here. I don't know if you can see. They're feeding. It's amazing that that many little things can survive and thrive in a kind of an invisible world to us. It's so small. I forgot what shirt I was wearing today. This is kind of one of my trophies, I guess, in life. And no, I didn't buy that for myself. So guess who bought that for me and why it makes it so special. It's almost 7 o'clock and time to hop into the office. Here's the dogs, kind of hazy behind there, so the sun's not really beating down yet. This is one of the dog's favorite spots in the window, in the doorway, so I kind of close this so there's no sun coming in, but they get some good radiation. Time to shut the, you can feel the sun coming out and the radiation coming down, and time to shut the window. So here's the office and my little green garden. I'm kind of struggling. These, I don't know, they seem to be struggling. I thought they'd be doing better. I had my harvest last week, and I'm gonna need more plants, or I need better growing. So if you are a gardener and know how to grow greens, give me some insight, because they have water, and maybe it's too much sun in the window there, but I usually have the blinds drawn if it's sunny or real sunny, so it's pretty not direct heat. Any ideas? Now on this side we keep the windows open till it's usually about 10 or 11, and then shut the windows, draw the blinds, and keeps the cool in. Welcome to Simple and Savor, the cooking version of this. We're going back old school, folks. It's been probably 6 months since I posted a cooking video, and I'm having a lot of people question in just the daily vlog. I'm getting a lot of emails around where'd the cooking show go. Love the Simple and Savor, the morning thought, and just really looking at how we live our lives on a daily basis and savor today. But had a lot of people say, well, where's the cooking show? So today I'm trying a new version in a new format, so I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below if it works. Trying to keep it to 30 seconds to 60 seconds of video. So how this is going to work, we're doing Greek salad. It's hot outside, something cool and nice, and I'm going to run the timer and see how long it takes timing, but just do it very quickly in video. So if you have questions around the cooking or techniques or anything, you shouldn't on this at all, but if you do, put them in the comments and I can answer those maybe in another video later, however this might work best. But we're doing Greek salad, so chopping up tomatoes, cucumber, onions, parsley, and lemon, and then seasoning with salt and pepper, and the best salad dressing in the whole world. I'll put a link either down below or up in a card up here. So for a video to how to make this so simple with the magic measurement rubber band here. And then probably be doing a little bread with this. This is gluten-free, but it's really good with this salad. So let's get going. And so I'm going to set the timer as usual and just post as we get the steps done in a picture, and we're good to go. So let's get started. Always got to check, make sure this thing's working. Now that took 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Nice, cool, light dinner. Don't necessarily want a lot of heavy meat on a hot day. So it's lovely. I think you'll like it. Give it a try. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. We can always shoot a video for that. And around chopping, recipes, if you have something that you want me to do a little research and make, if it's simple, I'm into it. If it's complex, screw that. I don't do it. So let me know your thoughts.